In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master meeting management in Clickup. We'll go through a straightforward process to streamline your planning and execution by utilizing the powerful features Clickup offers. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the tools you need to efficiently manage your team's meetings. To begin, open your favorite web browser and head over to Clickup, the versatile platform where work happens. Once you're there, you'll see the login option prominently displayed. Click it to progress. You'll now be greeted by a variety of sign-in methods. For this tutorial, we'll choose the Sign into Google option as it's a convenient and secure way to access your account. If you're using Google regularly, this method integrates seamlessly with your workflow. Now you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Go ahead and choose the one associated with your Clickup account to streamline the sign-in process. Once you're in, navigate to the upper corner of the screen where you will see 3 vertical dots. This is your gateway to additional options, including the templates feature, which is essential for managing meetings effectively. Click on these dots to unveil more menu items. Next, select templates from the list. This section is where Clickup showcases its versatility, offering numerous pre-built templates tailored for various needs. We're particularly interested in the meeting management template today. Click on Browse Templates to access the full library. In the search bar, type Team Meeting to narrow down the results. This search will reveal specific templates designed to enhance your team meetings. Among the options, you'll see the Team Meeting Management template. Click on it to view the details and advantages it brings to your meeting routine. Once you're ready to proceed, click on Use Template. This action will prompt you to make the template your own. It's a good practice to rename the template to something more specific or relevant to your organization's style. Once renamed, you'll once again click on Use Template to finalize this setup. What we've done in these steps is set up a dynamic framework to bring efficiency and structure to your team meetings. This template facilitates consistency and ensures that everyone is on the same page, thereby reducing time wastage and keeping your team focused on the objectives at hand. Remember to customize elements of the template as needed to fit the specific goals or culture of your team. That's it for today's step-by-step guide on mastering meeting management in Clickup. I hope this tutorial empowers you to handle your team meetings with newfound confidence and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tutorials.